Welcome everybody. Today I'm pretty sure it was branded as a ROBOTECH toy around here wherever I bought it, because that would make sense from when it looks much better as a robot than it does as a plane. I will do the transformation. Let's say it's not impressive. I did find the gun with it, or in my stockpile in my arsenal, I guess you'd call it. All my loose weaponry. Let's say I just got this one because probably because it had the ROBOTECH branding on it, and I thought, you know, that was all it took to sell me a toy in the 80s, plus a transforming robot toy, even though it was, you know, in hindsight is a really bad transforming robot toy. But like saying that, let's see, the feet pop together and then the feet. But as far as I can remember, that's the completed transformation to airplane or jet mode or whatever it was. The wings seem a little bit, you know, not useful. They do just flop around there. They're not. There's nothing holding them in place there on this side. I've lost a few stickers. I think that's a bonus sticker from something else because that doesn't look right there. Got some of the stickers and lost some of the others. Supposedly, you know, according to what I can tell on Google, this is part of the Macross saga, but I don't remember one looking like this. But that being said, see if I can turn him back into robot mode. Whenever I post this, I will post whatever name I actually find for it, because like I say, I just bought it because of the ROBOTECH branding. There he is. Like I say, I don't know much about this one, so thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.